Judges 21 brings the book of Judges to its painful and unsettling conclusion, not with victory, but with confusion, compromise, and a desperate attempt to fix what had been broken. After the devastating civil war, the men of Israel had made a solemn oath at Mizpah: "None of us will give our daughters in marriage to Benjamin." Now, with the dust of battle settled, they realized what this meant. The tribe of Benjamin was on the brink of extinction. The people gathered at Bethel, sat before the Lord, wept loudly, and cried out, "Why, Lord, has this happened in Israel, that one tribe is missing today?" The next day they built an altar and offered burnt offerings and peace offerings, seeking God's favor. Then they asked a critical question: which tribe did not come up to the Lord at Mizpah? They discovered that no one from Jabesh-gilead had joined the assembly against Benjamin. Because of this, the Israelites sent 12,000 warriors to Jabesh-gilead with a shocking command: destroy the city, except for the young women who had not known a man. They carried out this grim mission and brought back 400 young women from Jabesh-gilead to Shiloh. These women were given as wives to the surviving Benjamite men. But there was still not enough. 200 Benjamites remained without wives. Unwilling to break their oath by giving their own daughters, the elders of Israel devised another plan. They remembered that there was an annual festival of the Lord at Shiloh, where young women would come out to dance in the vineyards. The elders told the remaining Benjamites, "Go and hide in the vineyards. When the daughters of Shiloh come out to dance, each of you seize a wife for yourself and return to the land of Benjamin." Though deeply troubling, the Benjamites did as instructed. The people of Israel then returned to their homes, every tribe to its inheritance. Judges 21 ends with a sobering statement that echoes throughout the book. In those days Israel had no king. Everyone did what was right in their own eyes. It is a final reminder that without godly leadership and obedience to the Lord, even well-intentioned people can make disastrous decisions. Next comes the book of Ruth, a beautiful story of faith, loyalty, and redemption set during the same time as the Judges, showing that even in dark days, God was still at work.